Today, me and the boys hosted a very fun car show. We slammed Jake's GR Supra and even signed people's cars. We are at Remy's shop right now. First, what we're gonna do is install coilovers on Jake's Supra. Look how cute that is. Tell me this doesn't look like a YouTube thumbnail right here. Putting a new one in. We've got the front suspension on. I think this car is gonna be quite low because Jake wants his car slammed to the ground. So we're running maxed out on the coilovers. And that's decompressed. So this is probably gonna go up like another 2 inches at least.
Probably, yeah. It's got a tuck tire.
Oh, dude, yeah. I wouldn't be shocked if the entire tire is like in the fender.
No,
you don't think so?
The extreme lows. It's just a regular.
Oh, okay.
The M4 is a 2-inch drop, so it's gonna be rad tire. It's gonna be perfect.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look good.
Oh shit! Oh, look at that frame.
Oh.
Dude, look at the rear fitment.
The rear is low. It's tucking.
Dang, that's so good. Yo, this should be a big. Like this is M4 fitment right here. Like just slightly tucking tire.
What'd you guys think of the fitment? Let's show the M4 for comparison. They're actually quite similar fitment, I would say. You probably could fit barely a finger. That's the most I can get in there. I like my cars not too low, but I think this is a good height. We'll see if the car actually handles better as well. That's the thing I'm most curious about. Watch this.
Oh yeah, look.
That's insane. I guess that's what happens if you off-road your Supra. Hey Bo, how you feeling?
I'm excited, but I can't see shit.
No, I think this is gonna be crazy. After this, we are gonna head to the meet, and I'm very excited. We have no idea how that's gonna go. That's me, my first time hosting any type of meet. I don't know about Abo for you.
I've never known one either. Yo, this is fucked.
Is it much better?
Yeah. You're funny. Look at this. Yo, I need calls on my car like now. Something laser beam.
Dude, right? Pop, 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 pop.
Yo, bro,
Factory suspension, it felt like it was floating, and as you gas it, it feels like the car just keeps lifting.
But this
up and
feels
up
so
and up.
nice to the
And you just
ground.
fly off. Yeah, this one doesn't. All right, so we're pulling up to the show right now. This is my first time hosting anything like this, and it's great that it's with all the boys. Dude, there's so many people. That's the overflow lot, which is crazy.
Damn.
And there's a lot of cars. Wow.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be. This is big.
Yeah.
This is big.
Wow. No. This is amazing.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yo, rev it.
Hey. Damn.
This is awesome.
Dude, we're gonna have to move this freaking.
We're gonna have a hard time moving that big truck out. Woo. Barely fit through here.
Turn on the symphony. I don't
feel-
hear. I don't hear it.
You hear that? You hear that symphony?
No, I don't. Not loud enough, man.
Nah,
I think a little bit more.
A little more?
Oh, a little bit.
It's harmonizing.
Get the violin.
Oh, that's the violin on it. Oh, it's jokers, bro.
All right, go, rev it.
It's not a competition.
Max, it's not a competition. Or a CS. I'm not happy with that. No, I think yours sounds better. Piece of shit.
Nikolai, you gotta sign it too.
Bro, are you sure you want me to sign? Bro, my signature is horrible. No way, check this out. Dude, we're signing Supra dashes, yo. This is crazy.
M240 right back there, Max.
It's a competition. It's a competition. Oh my God.
What the heck, dude?
Bro, it's a competition. You can't call it an M light. It's not a 240. It's a competition.
All you guys are a lot cuter in person.
Oh wait, yo. Crazy.
Made him lead.
Yeah, good meeting you guys. Bro, this speed is insane. I'm like, my brain, I'm too hyped for this. This is too good. This is too good. It's a competition.
That's it.
Hell yeah.
It's a competition Civic. That's crazy. The club. Thank you.
What are you rating your car 1 through 10?
Rate my car?
Yeah, rate it.
A 10?
A 10?
Dream car, bro.
Right here?
Yep.
Yo, that's fucking insane. Thank you for that. Appreciate it.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit, yeah, pull him over.
Just gotta leave quietly and respectfully.
Leave quietly and respectfully.